October News. I Divya
And I, Riddhi.
are today's news anchors.
Yes, October is that time of the year when joy and celebration fill the air.
From sparkling lights to heartfelt traditions, we will take you to the heart of the festivities.
With our exclusive reports, captivating stories, and expert insights, stay tuned for an unforgettable journey.
Riddhi, wasn't our Alumni Meet 2024 an extravaganza?
Yes, Divya, indeed. So now let's have a glimpse of Alumni 2024.
OSTV Alumni Meet 2024, held on October 30 at OSTV Public School Kethel, was a heartwarming reunion marked by joy, nostalgia, and inspiration. The event began with a lamp lighting ceremony led by Principal Ma'am Mrs. Anju Talwar and Regional Officer Mrs. Sumanya Jha. Students showcased their talents through a spectacular display of cultural performances, blending OSTV's legacy with traditional flair, including dances, soulful singing, and orchestral rendition. The energetic Bhangra performance and other folk dances added a vibrant touch, celebrating the school's rich heritage.
Alumni took center stage, cheering pathways to success, inspiring accounts of overcoming obstacles, turning passions into careers, and achieving remarkable feats. Food and diya stalls set up by students showcased their creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. The reunion aimed to reconnect alumni with their alma mater, inspire current students, and reinforce school values. Principal Ma'am Mrs. Anju Talwar and her respected regional officers Mrs. Nijavan encourage excellence and school pride in their addresses, leaving attendance with cherished moments and a revitalized OSDAV family bond. Now let's have a look at our Diwali celebration. Diwali's vibrant spirit illuminated the campus, infusing hearts with warmth and happiness. Students showcased their creativity and imagination by decorating their classrooms, bringing the festive vibes of Diwali into life. Principal Ma'am Mrs. Anju Talwar's heartfelt greetings showcased the Diwali's triumph of light over darkness. The entire school community exchanged warm wishes, fostering unity and togetherness.
Joyful laughter and smiles filled the air, creating an atmosphere of pure light and celebration. The celebration embodied the institution's commitment to cultural heritage, spreading love and harmony. As darkness gave way to light, the campus resonated with unparalleled joy and festive fervor, crafting cherished memories.
54 flames danced in harmony, casting a divine glow when OSDV Public School Kethel hosted a sacred spectacle. A 54 Kundiya Yagna performed under Arya Regional Representative's guidance, with Principal Madam Anju Talwar at the head. The ceremony progressed smoothly. The synchronized Vedic chants, 54 Kunds created an enchanting atmosphere, purifying the environment with divine vibrations, cleansing the mind, body, and soul.
Mrs. Talwar highlighted the scientific significance of yajna, citing environmental regeneration, mental well-being, physical growth, and spiritual upliftment. This ritual coincided with Sri Yogi Suri's birthday, wishing him good health, physical well-being, and spiritual growth. Mr. Sanjay Sharma expressed his heartfelt gratitude to all the participants. School hosted a blood donation drive on October 28, 2024 as a part of Vedic Sanskar Pakhwada initiative, fostering a spirit of community service during Diwali. Mrs. Anju Talwar inaugurated the camp, which drew an overwhelming response. Comprehensive health screenings ensured the donor suitability. This drive yielded 77 blood life-saving units.
Generous donors received certificates of appreciation and fruits as token of gratitude. Mrs. Talwar thanked donors for their selfless contribution and medical officers Mrs. Renu Chawla and Dr. Vipul Singhania for their expertise. This noble endeavor embodies the true spirit of humanity, saving countless lives and inspiring others to follow suit.
OSTAvians gathered for a mock parliament session on October 26, 2024, replicating the India's monsoon session dynamics. This immersive exercise aimed to educate the students on parliamentary processes, highlighting the interplay between the ruling parties and the opposition parties. Young participants embodied esteemed leaders like Narendra Modi, Anil Vij, and Rahul Gandhi, demonstrating exceptional engagement. This initiative prompted civic awareness, public speaking, and debate skills, encouraging informed citizenship.
Stimulating the real-world governance, students gain a valuable insight into India's democratic framework, The event was a resounding success, encouraging young leaders' knowledge and confidence. It showcased students' potential to navigate complex democratic system.
The Mommy Dad event was a resounding success, bringing together primary class students and their mother for a fun-filled day out of cultural immersion and village life experiences. A miniature village setting was meticulously crafted, transporting participants to a bygone era. The event offered an immersive experience, allowing mothers and children to engage in fun and flooring activities
like pottery making, cattle feeding, and other traditional games, savoring local cuisines and street food. This unique setting fostered bonding, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for India's rich cultural heritage.
Our primary students celebrated Gandhi Jayanti with great enthusiasm, crafting Mahatma Gandhi's iconic spectacles using colorful bangles and colors. A storytelling session highlighted his inspiring life and teachings.
The students learned about non-violence, truth and compassion, pledging to follow his path. The celebration instilled the values of peace, harmony and patriotism among the young minds. The students gave a memorable tribute to the Father of Nation. With great fervor and devotion, the school celebrated the Shera, bringing alive the epic's timeless values. The tiny performers stole the show with their endearing portrayal of Ramayana's characters. The little one enthusiastically participated in their traditional attire, crafts and games, making the event a memorable experience. They showcased their creativity by their colorful costumes, props and energetic performances.
Principal Ma'am Mrs. Anju Talwar reminded the students that virtuous action elevate, harmful ones lead to downfall. She emphasized the importance of emulating Lord Rama's values of truth, compassion and righteousness in our daily life.